Hello, everyone. Welcome to Smart Me, and also welcome to this YouTube series titled Slack for Beginners, where we are going to be looking at how to use Slack effectively to communicate in the company. Today, we are going to look at how to accept an invite from your email. At this point, you have been invited by your HR or by any other person already in the organization to join and work with them in the Slack workspace. The first thing to do is just to go to the invite in our inbox, and then we click on the Join Now button. Then at this point, we will set a name for ourselves here. Then after providing our name, then we'll click on Continue. This is prompting us to open the Slack desktop app, which we are not going to consent to now. We will come back to that later. So we'll just use Slack in the browser. And that's it. You have successfully accepted the Slack invite, and you are now in the company's workspace. You can see the workspace name here on the Smart Me. Next, we are going to discuss and walk through the user interface. What are the menus and what each of them means. So on the menu, by the left side, you can see a section called Direct Messages. So these are all the people that you are in the company that you can send direct message to, right? This is not everyone. All the people that you have sent messages to, they are going to appear here. If you haven't sent message to anybody and you want to send a new message, you can just click on this plus button to send a message to anybody in the company. We're going to come back to that in a later video. So at the top, you can see the channels. What is channel? A Slack channel is a group, the equivalent of, let's say, a WhatsApp group. So it's a group where we have as much as possible people, right? So we're also going to talk about channels in more details in subsequent videos. But just know that right now you have channels, and the channels that we are seeing are the fourth channels that the company has created that we can, that every new member will automatically belong to, right? Next, we are also going to look at how to configure our profile. In order to set our profile, we are going to click on the top right icon here. We're going to click on it, which is going to show us a little bit details, but we're going to click on the profile menu, and then we will click on the edit. So this will bring us to a pop-up window where we can update our menu and customize it as we want. So the first thing we're going to set is the display name. So for this one, we are just going to set it as recount. I'm going to set it as JRecount. The name, this JRecount is going to become a sort of handle by which other team members can tag us in messages, in channels, and so on and so forth. The next thing we are going to set is our title, which is the role that we have in the company. So in this case, I'm just going to set it as Customer Executive, Customer Success Executive, right? Furthermore, we can also record a clip of how to pronounce our name properly and even describe it also in this tab. Very important, we also need to confirm that this time zone is correct, because we work, the advantage of using Slack is that it allows people from different geolocations to work together towards a common business goal in the same company, right? So it's possible that we're going to have people that are in the United States, people that are in the Caribbean, people in different parts of the world with different time zones. So it's very important that you set your time zones correctly so that your team members can know what time is it in your own geolocation. The last thing that adjustment we need to make is to upload our profile photo. Now, I'm just going to click on that, and then we can come here and then select the photo we want. and then just adjust it a little bit and then save. Now, with this, we have successfully set up our profile, right? And then we can save changes. So with this, we have come to the end of this installment. What we've learned is how to accept an invite. We have walked through the user interface on the browser, and we have been able to set up our profile accordingly. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video, where we are going to look at how to send messages and what are the integrities that are involved. Thanks once again. See you in the next video.